Yeah, this is a follow-up on our Samsung American style fridge freezer. I think we built it in about 2002, I think. It's now 2019, so it's done very well. It has had one fault. I'll show you more detail in a bit. We've had no problems whatsoever with the ice maker in all that time, or the freezer, or the compressor, but just an issue to do with the actual fridge itself, the refrigerator side, the one that sits at 3 degrees, okay? Now, what we have had is a couple of occasions. I've got the service manual for this fridge freezer, and so I've seen the test modes and everything else, but we found occasionally when we come home the fridge is beeping at us regularly. There's no error code displayed, and this display on the left, the left one there is the freezer temperature, is just counting down from about 29 all the way down to 3. It beeps and then carries on and then starts counting down again. Now, I've looked online, and if it's there I can't see what the solution is, but there's lots of people asking this question: what does it mean when this thing is counting down? It counts down, rolls around, beep beep, and then comes back. The buttons are unresponsive, and if you turn the ice mode on, it goes on to the on position, so crushed or cubed, but when it beeps it goes back to ice off, right? At the moment we've got the child lock on, but anyway, so what do you do if this thing is counting down? And I managed to induce it, and I did it last time because I couldn't fix it, and somewhere it said turn the fridge freezer off, which I did. I turned it back on, thought I'd fixed it, and then away it went again. And what is it for? This mode that's not documented. If it is documented anywhere and you've seen it, let me know, because I can't find it in the user manual or in the detailed service manual, right? And what it is I think it's some sort of if you have a quick interruption in the mains, you know, it goes off for a few seconds, comes back on, this thing boots up in a strange mode. If it's not an intentional mode, it must be a bug, mustn't it, really? And a quick interruption of the power will cause this problem. And then it said somewhere in the Samsung help instructions from the help center, I'll turn the fridge freezer off for 5 minutes, turn it back on, or 10 minutes. But that doesn't work. You need to turn the fridge freezer off for at least half an hour until whatever volatile memory or memory location that's in the semi-volatile memory in the fridge is cleared. And then once you turn it back on and leave it, it clears it. Now, this happened to us 3 times, and I wasn't quite sure what I'd done to reset it, but this last occasion you just turn the power off for like half an hour, 40 minutes. Obviously don't open the door or do anything, and then turn the power back on, and then it's been as good as gold ever since. And it did it probably 2 years ago, same problem, managed to resolve it. But if you do know what it is, then drop me a line, because I'll be curious to know if it's actually an officially recognised mode. But you can't seem to be able to induce it by pressing the buttons or just playing around with the control panel. It's something that happens when you have a power glitch, and as far as I can tell, the controller goes in some strange mode.